Learning how to apologize, I think it was the most difficult thing for me to do. Learning how to do, pretty much. The 30 years I'm living on this earth, apologizing for me was the most hardest thing to learn. But me and my best friend, we have the most intense arguments, and I think I learned so much from having a friendship that revolve around communication and love and understanding that apology actually works. When you actually define and you determine how you mess up and you can sit and control your reaction to things, then you can apologize with no problem. The form of communication between two parties is the most significant part of the relationship and the growth of it. It actually determines the growth of the relationship. And people just say, oh, communication, yes, is key. But identifying your wrongs is actually key for me. Because see, relationships, that's when the wrongs come. That's when you're learning each other and you're learning who you are, who that person is, and how you guys could actually come together and figure it out. Now, this goes for relationships, friendships, family relationships. Determine and understand an apology and learning how to apologize can take the relationship so much further. But who hates apologizing? Me. I hate it. I can't stand it. It drives me crazy. It's annoying. And I know many of you watching this video, it probably makes you go crazy too. Like, oh my God, I really have to apologize? But you feel so much better when you apologize. You feel so much better when you acknowledge how things can actually change so that it could be prevented in the future. How can you expect someone to know what bothers you if you don't communicate about it? How can you know if you hurt someone's feelings or if they hurt your feelings if you don't apologize and acknowledge and communicate about it? The relationship will go sour. I was the type of person that had a million best friends. I mean, oh my God, from female friends, male friends, these were my best friends. And I'm stuck with one, of course, and I'm excited about that. But I learned so much in my past friendships that I hurt a lot of them. And if I just apologized and I really communicated at that time, they'd probably still be around or probably not. Who knows? That's not for me to figure out. But if I just would have apologized, it might have went a different way. So learn how to acknowledge and learn how to apologize and learn how to just say, I'm sorry. Call your friend right now and say, I'm sorry. Call your spouse and say, I'm sorry. Call your family, your mom, your sisters, your brother, and just say, I'm sorry. And don't just expect sorry from others. You can say that and still walk away because you did the right thing. So learn how to apologize. I learned how to do that at 30 years old. And the first time of saying sorry, which was to my best friend, was the best feeling ever. So thank you, friend, and tell your friends and your family, thank you for teaching you things that you probably couldn't learn on your own. But just say sorry and apologize to whoever you hurt. And I promise you'll feel better. Yep, you sure will.